Okay, another output format for creating interactive 3D documentation would be HTML5. You can, just like making a PDF, we can switch over to the HTML5 publisher. And in this case, we're going to save off a single HTML file. There's advantages to single or to the folder-based one. Specifically, if you have larger models, it puts up a nice progress bar, and it generally supports larger models better because everything doesn't have to be crammed into a single file. The single file has its own advantages. One is that you can view it without actually putting it onto a web server. You can just double click the HTML, and generally that's okay with the browser. And it's also something that can easily be shared, like through email or put on Dropbox or Box or something like that. So it's easier to manage versus more robust, I guess, is your choice here. Okay, so we're going to do a single file one because that's very easy for demo purposes. And then we're going to pick a HD template because those work better for the HTML in my experience, in my mind. So maybe this one I think is one that looks pretty good in this. Okay, let's see. So we want to pick our storyboard. It looks like it went back to the default one. Let's pick this one. And so now we have our nice 1 through 9 again that we set up with our storyboard. This one has these buttons for clicking through the different steps, and it doesn't display this name dynamically. It just puts it into this table here. If we had a description, it would set that here too. So, and we could go in here and type into this custom text into here if we'd like, as far as a feature that you can do with the templates. Okay, well, I'm going to ignore that for now, and I'm just going to go to Publish Now, and this is fine, Phase 10. We'll save that off. So that'll create our HTML document that can be shared with anybody. This is based on powered by Share3D technology, which means that it works very well with any browser, any modern computer, PCs, Androids, Macs, iOS applications, anything with a browser that supports HTML5 and WebGL. There's no plugins needed, so it's pretty good stuff. So we now have it here. We can rotate, pan, and zoom it, and then we can use the functionality built into the template as well. So in this case, we can step through our different step-by-step process right here in HTML. And this is just brought up in the web browser, the Edge browser.